Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. We're gonna make Italian dressing. We start off with a half a cup of vinegar. Use a third of a cup if you like vinegar, but not that much. So I used a half a cup. I used a fourth of a cup of red wine vinegar and then a fourth of a cup of apple cider vinegar. And you're gonna blend it. So pour it into your blender and get all the little remnants, because there are some little drippies in there. 2 tablespoons of water. This will calm it down some. Then you're gonna do a tablespoon and a half of pure lemon juice. And this right here is apple juice concentrate. I like apple juice concentrate. It's very sweet and you don't have to use sugar. You don't have to use any other sweetener. But if you have another juice concentrate, you could use that. They make all different kinds. So this is a fourth of a cup also. Fourth of a cup of apple juice concentrate. And get it all. What we're gonna do is add all these spices. We're gonna leave this guy for last and I'll explain that in a minute. We start off with oregano. And that is, I made this easy by just using half a teaspoon. So half a teaspoon of oregano goes in. A half a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Half a teaspoon of basil. These are all dried. You could do fresh if you wanted to, but you have to know what the equivalence is, and I don't know what it is because I use dry all the time. And then a half a teaspoon of thyme. It's a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now this is xanthan gum. It's a thickener, and it will allow this dressing to cling to, because it doesn't have nuts or anything like that in it, to make it thicker. So I put in a little xanthan gum. And now we blend it. This is minced onion. I don't know if you've ever seen this in the spice aisle, but it's just minced onion that's dried. And 2 different options. If you like the little bits, because it's going to swell up because it's dried, so you could just dump it in and stir it up. Or you could put it in now and blend it up and you won't taste it. I mean, you'll taste it, but you won't get the little bits. So I'm going to stir it in after. Take it off of here. It's pretty thick right now, but when you put it in the refrigerator, that xanthan gum is going to make it thicker. So it will cling to, I don't know, use it for whatever you would use your Italian dressing or any of your dressings. If you like Italian, I think you should like this. I think you will like this. So I washed out just a regular old jar that I had some, I don't know what I had in here. And it makes about 3/4, almost a full cup. Now you're going to take this dried minced onion. It's only a teaspoon, and you're going to pour it right in. But if you put it in the refrigerator, what will happen is they will soften overnight or in a few hours, and you'll be tasting little bits of onion. It's quite good. I'll just get a little. It's very good, but it's vinegary. But remember, Berta loves vinegar. And I am enjoying the vinegary taste. Remember what I told you at the beginning, if you're not that crazy about vinegar. If you didn't have a salad, that's all you had was some carrots, shred those bad boys up and throw this on it. It tastes really good. Could use it on a lettuce salad, greens, any kind of greens that you have mixed, any kind of vegetable that you want to chop up and put it on. I'm just trying to think. I've never used it on tofu or anything like that, but you see the consistency? It's pretty thick. It's a really good dressing. So I hope you'll try it, and I hope you will put it on your anything you want, okay? And so until next time, bye for now.